Good morning, friends. My name is Akhilesh Kumar, and I am with my colleague Edwin Lewis. Now I'm going to show you my project Prepaid Energy Meter, which consists of different sections. Here is our transformer with our power supply section. There is nothing but there is a bridge rectifier and few capacitors for filtering to get a clean DC, 5 volt DC for operating our microcontroller section. And this is our RF reader module, which is EM18, and there is a LED shown over here. Whenever we are going to recharge with our Rfid tag, the LED will glow. And this is our LCD, which is interfaced with our microcontroller to display our warning messages. And this is our microcontroller section board, which is the most important section in our project, which concerns our microcontroller. And this is a crystal oscillator. This is our reset circuitry, and every processing is going to be done in this microcontroller. Okay, this is our buzzer, which is used to generate an alarm when there is a warning message shown over here. And this is our opto isolator circuitry, which is used to interface between our energy meter and our microcontroller sections. There is nothing but it will take it is interfaced with our calibration LED in the energy meter. Whenever this calibration LED glows, our opto isolator will generate a signal to microcontroller and will read it as a unit, and will be shown incrementing in our LCD. This is the wire to connect the opto isolator, and this is our relay circuit with our relay module here. And whenever there is completion of our units, in which in the case we are going to recharge with our 10 rupees, then after the completion of 10 units, the relay will disconnect our load from our energy meter and our whole circuitry, and the load will get off. And here's our, I think what you are familiar with this section. This is our energy meter, and this is our load here. And now the working will be explained by colleague my.
Now I'm going to explain the working of this project. Now we'll switch on this prepaid energy meter. Initially, a recharge of rupees 10 is done by default to activate the kit, and the load is switched on, as you can see. The microcontroller starts counting the units, which will be displayed on the LCD. As you can see, it's counting the units. We have already set a threshold level of unit, which is set at 7 units for 10 unit. And when it reaches at 7 units, the buzzer initiates an alarm. As you can hear it now. And a warning message is shown on the LCD to recharge. As you can see, it's showing it's low balance, please recharge. And it continues. And as it reaches the end of the unit, the relay cuts off the supply and the load is off. And now the electricity gets disconnected. And a warning message is shown on the LCD to recharge. And again you can continue the service. And then we can enter the recharge mode, which is provided here with a switch, and the supply is so that the supply can be connected again. See, now you can see the LCD is showing you are in a recharge mode. Now I'm going to show you how to recharge. Now here we have 3 RFID tags. which we are going to use for recharge with different values. One is of 10 rupees, 20 rupees and 30 rupees. Now we will swipe one of the RFID tag. As you can see, I am going to swipe a 10 rupees RFID tag over the RF module, and the LED present here will blink when it reads out the RFID tag. Now you can see again the LCD is on, and the recharge is done with 10 rupees and the load is switched on again, and the microcontroller will start counting the pulses.
So this was all about our project Prepaid Energy Meter, and this basically gives a control appropriation of electricity in a better way than the conventional meters. So thank you guys for watching.